Hello Indonesia, my name is Oktario, Mahasiswa Berprestasi Institut Teknologi Sumatera. Here is my idea for pemilihan Mahasiswa Berprestasi Nasional 2019. For many types of the energy, electrical energy, it is the most important thing for human life because it is our needs. The biggest problem is how to produce the electrical energy to fulfill the society needs. 50% the productions of electrical energy in Indonesia still depend on fossil, such as natural gas, oil, and coal fire. More than 50% the production of electrical energy in Indonesia still depend on fossil, such as natural gas, oil, and coal fire. Based on the research data, to fulfill the society needs regarding to the oil productions, in 2017, the oil needs reached up to 1.3 million barrels per day, and in 2018, the production of oil reached up to 1.7 million barrels per day, whereas the productions at the fact in Indonesia is still 750,000 million barrel per day. So this is not equal. So how about the rest? The rest is imported. We are in crisis energy.
Indonesia menghadapi ancaman krisis energi pada tahun 2018 jika tidak segera mengubah pola konsumsi, produksi, dan kebijakan energi.
Ya, upaya untuk mencegah Indonesia menjadi pengimpor energi terbesar di dunia pada tahun 2018 adalah penghapusan subsidi BBM. Di sela-sela APEC Conference on Clean, Renewable and Sustainable Use Energy, anggota Dewan Energi Nasional Herman Darnel Ibrahim mengatakan jika negara tak mengubah pola konsumsi, produksi dan kebijakan energi, maka tahun 2018 Indonesia akan mengalami krisis energi. Menurutnya kondisi Indonesia diperparah karena ketergantungan terhadap bahan bakar minyak terus meningkat, namun tidak diimbangi dengan peningkatan produksi energi alternatif.
To eradicate the crisis energy in Indonesia, our government had been implementing the effort and policies. One of them is the conservation of the energy. This conservation of the energy has the same meaning with the saving the energy, because if the citizen of Indonesia save 10%, it is equal to we save 3.5 gigawatt power. And in the other effort is diversification of energy and intensification of the energy. Sustainable development goals is very influential with sustainable energy because sustainable energy is one of the government effort to make Indonesia more powerful. If the sustainable development goals, primarily number 7, it is clean energy and affordable, which it is the goals is to be counted, to be afford and moderate and affordable had been implemented in Indonesia at certain regions to fulfill the society needs. But based on the data, 70,000 village, 2,500 is underdeveloped and remote village. Meanwhile, for about 45%, it hasn't flowed by electricity. So, how do we respond to that? How do we address that? Desa Mandiri Energy is one of the best solutions. Desa Mandiri Energy is a village community program which aims to develop and to empower the potential energy inside it. The purpose of the Desa Mandiri Energy, first, to create job demand. Second, to decrease employee ratings. Third, to make the prosperous village both at the economic side nor at the poverty elevations. The biggest energy usage for Desa Mandiri Energy in Indonesia is biogas power plant. Desa Mandiri Energy is a village community program which aims to develop and to empower the potential energy inside it. The purpose of the Desa Mandiri Energy, first, to create job demand. Second, to decrease employee ratings. Third, to make the prosperous village both at the economic side nor at the poverty elevations. The biggest energy usage for Desa Mandiri Energy in Indonesia is biogas power plant.
Host bioenergy is my idea to optimize desa mandiri energy in Indonesia, which is related to the Sustainable Development Goals and biogas power plants, as well as to result the output sustained bioenergy. The host bioenergy has the same principle to the low eternity of the energy. That energy can be created, energy can be destroyed, but energy can be transferred from one form to another form. There are 4 categories of the host bioenergy. First category is input. The input function is to determine bioenergy organic waste as a fuel source from power plant biogas. The second category is process. The process is to determine as well as to convert from input to the output. The third category is output process. The output is to determine as well as to change from the energy in the biogas power plant to the biogas and biofertilizer. The last category is the feedback. The feedback has the functions to the change biogas into the bioelectric and then return back to input, and then to change the biofertilizer into new plants, and then the new plant return back to the input again. So this is the cycle of the output sustained bioenergy. So this is very suitable to the desa mandiri energy. So I believe that through host bioenergy optimization to accomplish desa mandiri energy through the biogas power plant output will contribute in Indonesia Sustainable Development Goals, primarily number 7, clean energy and affordable.